When it comes to you, I take one side. Another one smile if it ain't from you. So loving, so complicated. Hi, people outside there. Are you out there? Kamusta? I am doing fine. I am doing well. By God's loving grace. I miss you too, gwapa. Kamusta man kamo? Hello, jerks! Hi, Angie, watching you here in Dubai. Hello, I hope everybody's doing well in Dubai. I meet you, Ate Nerms. Kamusta man kamo dira? Mamaya, guys. Kaya abangan nyo later. I-upload namin around 6 p.m. tonight. And yeah, I hope you guys like the song because the song is called Yellow. And I'm wearing yellow because it's connected there. Because why not? Taga saan ka, ate? Originally, in my origin, I came from my origin. Ano to, Matt? Ayun na nga tayo sa mga origin natin. Papunta tayo sa ating mga interslope, sa ating mga asymptote. But guys, I came from Siargao, originally from Burgos, Surigao del Norte, Siargao Island. Makakapunta ka ulit Sunday. Who's this? I'll try to see. I'll update RJ. Gwapa, when ka balik diri Siargao? Kung makakwarta. Ali pa ba sa iko? Ang ginabuhi pa manggod ko diri sa blooming ang babae. Amo no babae is bab. Iya bab. Yes. Pag-review na, uy. Orcsmith, mag-review ka. Wag mo kami pansinin dito. Hayaan mo kami dito magsaya muna. Ikaw mag-aral ka ng maayos. And ako tapos na ako mag-review and tapos na ako mag-take ng quiz. I am here to relax my mind, my soul, cause deserve niya. Uy! above. All of the above. Above. All of above. Baby, I'm trying to lose my mind. I know. This is a gift from... Is it a gift from... Kasi I remember there are 2 people who gave me a hat. It's Kuya Aries and Kuya Ralph. But I don't know which color is which. Kasi basta may isa na kakulay orange and this one is yellow. But they both gave me a hat. I think they, what we call this, they shopping na magkasama and then decide to give you the same hat with different colors. Yes, mahaba ng hair ko. Mabilis lang humaba hair ko, guys. I just cut it really short before, like this long. It's because I want to get rid with the dead hair, so that when it grows, it's healthy like this. See, no problem. Sige nga. Ayoko nga guys, abangan nyo na lang kasi malapit na kaming mag-promo tour. So, abangan nyo. All of us sa cast will be meeting up soon and I can't wait. Can't wait to hang out with them. Kay, nakapag-hangout sila pero ako nakasama. Kasi nga, nabisi si lola nyo. Thank you! Congratulations din kay Mami Caroline. Si Mami Caroline talaga yung ano ko doon, inspiration. I wanted to win because of her. May ganito kang sombrero. Sige nga, kunin mo nga. Mag-picture ka, post mo. Yes, Kuya JC! I remember you! Yes. Very soon, guys. Malapit na. Miss na miss rin kita. Guys, you guys miss me? Like, I wasn't out for that long. Like, I'm around. I'm posting. I was here all the time. Ay nako, bola, but thank you. Hello. Okay, somebody asked me a question. Might as well read it. How's working with the 4 Bad Boys and Me cast? Lahat po sila magaan po katrabaho, guys. And I love that everybody's really, nice, really hardworking and fun. And unique. Kaya, sobrang na-enjoy ko yung taping. How was Biniran? Biniran was fun. Medyo nalito na lang kami ng mga kasama ko. Si Kuya Renz kasi kasama ko, tsaka si Kuya JC. And then, kami ni Kuya Renz na una lang. So, kasi gusto ko, ako yung tipong tao guys na I don't want long runs. I want na mabilis lang matapos. So, ayun, una-una kami, nawala. So, iba yung route na napuntahan namin. So, we have to like sprint 100 meter para sa right track, sa right route. And yeah, it's fun but it's tiring at the same time. Thank you, Kring Guy. Kring, ikaw ini? Maman ako ini. Ano ba dyan? Kala ko si Kring. Kala ko na ako classmate. Oh my God, Ate Pao! I love you, Ate Pao. Oh my God. Guys, let's all pray for Ate Pao for healing. Where are you? I'm home, guys. Not so far away, but still far. Yes, Mami Ruth, mahaba na. Kita-kits soon po. Kasi di ka bumili ng ticket or baka busy ka nun. It's okay, guys. Maybe sa sunod, if there's another musical, I'll try to audition. Because I like the discipline and I like that it's training me with a lot of things when it comes to performing. We'll see po. We'll see. I'll try to visit. Yeah, see, you're busy. Yes, 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 yes. RN, where are you? Shout out from Japan. Are you in Japan, Kuya Renz? I miss Corinne too, guys. Like, don't worry, you'll see her every ASAP. She's, the person who's performing in ASAP is not Angie at all. It's Corinne. Don't worry, guys. You'll see her every time in ASAP. Singing Angie is Angie. When I'm singing, that's Angie. But when I'm dancing, that's Corinne. Thank you. Ella. Don't worry. We're gonna see Corinne every ASAP. Magkukir lang ako, guys. I just want to practice straightening my hair. But what happened? Oh! Goodness. But what happened was I did not straighten it well, so it's like there's a curl hair. But that's weird if it's like that. But I like it. I like the hat. I want the hat. I feel safe. Hello, Kuya Kyle. I miss you more. Sige, Kuya, let's go. No, not nasunog. Hindi lang naayos pag, straighten. So, it got like that. And, I'm too lazy. It's painful man pag ako lang. So, I have to practice how to straighten my hair. If ever. Because I just want lang. Hey! Mas maganda ka. Kamukha mo ko? Sige nga, sige nga. Anong tawag sa haircut nyo? Guys, di pa ako nagpa-haircut hanggang ngayon. Pero kung tatawagin ko kung anong klaseng haircut ko nung first na pinaputol ko to, it's just cutting off the dead hairs. There's no certain name of it. It's just short hair with less dead hair. Yeah, definitely. I'll miss that too. Okay naman sila. They were working really hard. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. You appreciate that short hair? Thank you so much. I appreciate my hair that short too. Hi guys, I don't wanna remember that. Tung alak. Mag-isa ka lang. Dapat pala yung sinabi ko mag-isa ka lang. Wala or wala. Ay naku. Alam nyo guys, pumasok ako sa Rainbow Rumble lutang. Walang tulog si Akla. Kanta ako. Yung this, ang tawag nito? IG is nagbe-block siya pag kumakanta if may song. Feeling ko nakauwi na sa titata kasi umingay na sa baba. Yes, you know guys, recently I become a nonchalant na like I don't know, maybe because I miss home or parang ano lang, parang nanibago lang. Maybe I've grown differently. Yeah, like I don't want to talk anymore. I talk less now, and I just like to vibe. I just like to be there. I like to listen. But sometimes I don't like to talk. I just listen. Thank you. Yeah, it's so fun. I like it too. Thank you. Yes, of course. I'm her mother. Mother. Like, guys, I'm the mother of everyone. Sige, gusto nyo? Doon tayo mag-live right now so that we can sing. Hello, Tita R. Jones. I miss you. Say hi to Zoe for me. And, yes, mommy. Hello. Tara. Everyone, prepare. Go to TikTok. Let's go to TikTok. Everyone, come. Basta lang, reminder, walang papatol kung sino mamang bash, okay? Say hi to Cassidy. They heard you. Oh, I miss them too. Let's all go to TikTok. And let's all be mindful, okay? Hello, Kuya Jello. I miss you. Wait, let's go. How am I gonna end this again?